Welcome to day 5 of learning 5 Luo words a day. Abiri. Abiri. That is opium. Abiri. 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 This is starch from soaked dried sweet potato, sometimes also known as adoko. Adoko. Abiri. Abiriyo. Abiriyo. Abiriyo is the number 7. Abiriyo can also be used in other aspects like Piero abiriyo gi abiriyo. That is 77. Piero abiriyo gi abiriyo. Or mar abiriyo. Mar abiriyo. That is 7th. An nyathi mar abiriyo. I'm the 7th child. An ngat mar abiriyo. Sa abiriyo. Sa abiriyo. That is the 7th hour after sunrise. That is 1 p.m. Sa abiriyo. Sa abiriyo. Abodha. Abodha. Or abodha. Abodha. This is when you do something poorly or haphazardly. Opedho otanda no abodha. Opedho otanda no abodha. I hope you enjoyed this video. Aboge. Sorry. Aboge. Aboge is edible grasshoppers. Edible grasshoppers. Aboge. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow with another one. Bye-bye.